What's poppin'?
What's poppin'? YouTube, it's your boy Brian TV, and I'm back on YouTube. I'm making consistent content on how to make content, what it takes to make content, what type of mindset you need to be, and the journey of my content creation and what it takes to be a YouTuber. So if you're seeing that, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a TikTok. To some of you it might be easy, and some of you it might be hard, but for those of you who find it hard, I got you guys. So I'm gonna give you guys tips and tricks, and also some tricks on how to keep your content consistent and how to make those results and those gains that you truly want to see. Because you want the views and the followers, but how can you get the results that you truly desire, and what do you need to do? So stay tuned, follow me today. I'll be making a TikTok. Hope you guys have fun. This video is about to be fun and entertaining. Let's go find ourselves a location outside. Let's get popping. Alright y'all, so first things first is, before you even do your TikTok, you want to have an idea, because you want to make sure the idea is relatable and you want something that people can relate to. I came up with two already for you guys that I'm going to do today that I think a lot of people are going to relate to. So the first one is, I'm doing a song from Bruno Mars. I don't want to play it because of copyright infringement, but I know this song is very familiar with you guys, and I'll be on the phone trying to link with my friends. It's going to be, what you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Oh, don't say that. So that's gonna be our first video. We're gonna create that today. I think a lot of people can relate to that. It's real relatable. You want to link with your friends and you're trying to figure out where they at. So that's gonna be like the first idea. The second idea that I have for you guys today is, I actually want to do the point of view of getting into a relationship and how your heart and mind feels when you get into relationships. So today I'm gonna be the heart. I got my red shirt already here and planned out, and I'm gonna take some band-aids with me because the heart gonna be bruised from all the previous relationships that it's been in. And then I'm gonna have this pink shirt, which is gonna represent the mind. So I always plan out my content because I feel like when I'm planning it out and I make something relatable to people, I feel like it pushes your engagement, because people react to stuff like that they find that they've dealt with in their real life. So we're gonna go outside, find ourselves a location for the Bruno Mars one, then I'm gonna head back inside and do the second video. Alright y'all, so let's get it popping. Alright y'all, so we just got to the location. This is our background. We about to get it popping. Usually when I get to this part and I find a location and I figure out my idea, the next part is I want to find a sound. So what I do is I go to the plus button on TikTok because I want to upload a video. Then I go to add sounds, and then on that add sound you'll see viral songs, you'll see songs that you ain't discovered yet, TikTok songs, and they actually boost your engagement. So you want to pick the most popular song that's being played right now, because they actually boost your engagement, and TikTok will actually, what it'll do is, in the algorithm, it'll just boost that video. But you want to make sure your video is of quality too. So you make sure when you're shooting, shoot your videos either in 4K or 1080p. It'll get that, the quality will also boost your engagement as well, and that's also a tip. It's really nice outside today. It's beautiful. So I'm about to set y'all up on the camera, on the tripod. I'm about to get to shooting and execute for the first video right now. So let's get it. Alright y'all, so I got my prop in my hand, which is my phone. Be on the phone, trying to link with my friends, and I'm going to play the Bruno Mars songs. I'm going to bring up the countdown timer for 3, so that way I got enough time to get into the shot. But I'm also going to do the start countdown, so that way I don't have to press and hold the actual button. Alright, so let's get it popping. Alright y'all, that content came out popping. So I'm not going to post it now because there's an option for you to draft it, so you can draft the content so you don't have to just post it right to TikTok. That's actually a good feature for TikTok, because if you can draft all your content, you can have all your content for later. So when you're really not doing content, you could draft your content so you always have content. That's how you keep your content consistent. So for now, I'm not going to post it right now because I actually want to go back to the house and work on it. I want to put some lettering on it. I don't want to do it outside because I'm outside and it's kind of cold out here and I'm walking around and, you know, it's kind of nice out here, but I'm going to just go ahead and do it back when I get to the house. We're going to go shoot the second video, so let's get it popping. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I just made it back to the house. I'm going to go ahead and set my phone tripod up. This thing is super handy. It comes in handy almost in every situation. I can shoot anywhere I want to, always on the go. So if you are trying to do TikTok, if you're trying to be a TikTok creator, make sure you get yourself a good phone tripod or something to hold your phone up to. I like to keep mine in my book bag all the time just in case I get an idea or I'm around friends or I want to collaborate. I always keep this phone tripod on me just in case I want to do something. I'm going to go ahead and set this tripod up for our second idea, which is talking to the moon of the point of view of my heart and mind and getting into a new relationship. So let's get it. Okay, so I went to the most popular version of Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars on TikTok. So that way TikTok can boost my engagement and boost my views. Niggas see that, okay, I did it to a popular song. Also got my pink shirt from my mom, my red shirt from my heart, and also got a couple of band-aids because my heart has been through a lot. So we're going to go ahead and shoot the scene. I'm going to go ahead and change up my, I guess, I don't know if I'm going to wear this hoodie or change to another hoodie, but I'm probably going to change to another hoodie just to sell, you know, because I don't want to be in the same thing. And we're going to make it pop. Because if you're drafting content, like I said earlier, if you're drafting content, you want to be consistent, you got to change your outfit up so that they know, okay, maybe you shot this on a different day, but you really didn't. You just shot it on the same day. So let's go ahead and get it popping. Stay tuned. You ready? I already told y'all I'm the heart. So I'm about to put some band-aids on my face and stuff like that because the heart been hurt, y'all. The heart be getting hurt so many times and stuff. It won't never be really, I'm gonna put one near my eye. I'm gonna put a band-aid. Make me look real hurt as a heart, y'all. Like I really got bruised up and beat up, and yeah, I feel like that's really the heart. We really put our heart through a lot. So I'm about to really sell this with the band-aids and stuff. I'm like, dang, what the hell happened to him? I'm like, what happened to him? Alright, y'all, so I probably look crazy right now, but this is the heart. This is my character. So let's get it. You guys, this is a little sneak peek of what I did today with you guys. I'm so excited to post these videos. We worked really hard on these. I'm super excited you guys got to see the behind the scenes of me doing these TikToks and how making TikToks are made. You guys, that only took us about 1 hour, you guys. Not even that, probably 45 minutes. So, you guys, I've taught you a lot of tips and tricks today on how to get you more engagement on your TikTok. I've showed you guys where to go to get the sounds. And I've taught you guys on how you need to have the energy and plan out and execute your ideas. So good luck to you and all your TikToks and all the stuff that you produce on TikTok or anything that you produce. Good luck to you. I know that you'll be popping. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more content like this. I'll be bringing more content from content creators like this. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you leave a like. Let me know which video you like. Do you like the first video I did, that idea, or do you like the second idea I did? Or what's some ideas that you got for people? Leave a comment down below and I'll be with you guys and I'll comment too and engage. So you guys, you popping, I'm popping, we popping. Stay tuned for more Brown TV. What's poppin'?